We are the Broken Pokers. Happy Friday. If you've just joined us from the Irish Club's broadcast of the wonderful show, they got the lyrics board. Who was hosting it tonight, Ben? Was Brian
and Trish.
And Trish. So you're very welcome, and anyone just tuning in. We are the Broken Pokers. It's our Friday night request show, Friday Facebook Frenzy. We're going to start off with a request from Scott and Louise. The finest horse I've ever seen, standing 16 or 2, with eyes wild and green. And you ride that horse so well, hands light to the touch. I could never go with you no matter how I wanted to. Scott and Louise are sitting at home going, we didn't request this song. What's happening? I'm a blonde bimbo girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your dolly. You're my doll, rock and roll, feel like glamour in pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, oh hanky panky. You can touch, you can play, if you say I'm always yours. You can touch, you can play, if you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world, a life in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Ooh, come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Make me walk, make me talk, do whatever you please. I can act like a star and I can beg on my knees. Come jump in, bimbo friends, let us do it again. Hit the town, put around, oh let's go party. You can touch, you can play, if you say I'm always yours. You can touch, you can play, if you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world, a life in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Oh come on Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come on Barbie, let's go party. Come on Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come on Barbie, let's go party. Let's go.
He's doing better.
plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life in your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Ah, 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 yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Ah, 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 yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Oh, yeah. Ew. Oh, yeah, and we're off.
That's
Thank you.
a surprisingly complex song.
Oh, we've been threatening to play that one for a while, so just to prove to you that this is a request show and we will play anything. Firstly, I want to just get back to some people from last week. We were supposed to do an encore last week, and as soon as we stopped the stream, we couldn't get it going again. So, were you ever like that?
Oh, yeah.
And, anyways, we decided today we're going to do just a kind of an intermission at about 10 o'clock. So if anyone is busting to go to the toilet other than us, hold on to it till 10 o'clock. We're going to take a short intermission, about maybe 5 minutes or so, and then come back on and do more songs. So we're basically just keeping the stream going this time. It seems to be the safest way to go.
A constant stream, sir.
Constant stream. We also want to thank the people who have given us some money on PayPal. We understand that some people have had issues with it, and if it's a problem or you're having issues with it, don't worry about it. And for the people who have given us some money, it's really helped out. So thank you very much. Thankfully, we're not in the poorhouse just yet, but come on, JobKeeper. So we just put it up there on the screen for everybody tonight. If anyone wants to chuck anything in there, we appreciate it.
Thanks
Thank you.
a lot. Yeah.
Anyways, here's a song about a man who was afraid of going to the poorhouse as well.
And if Michael Crotty is listening, this one goes out to you.
Oh, man, Mick, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You walk in 9:30 looking like a queen, serving me with papers and calling me obscene. Woman, I tried so hard just to do my best. They're gonna put me in the poorhouse and you take all the rest. Up all day, down all night, working on the job. Everything I do is wrong, I always end up wrong. Woman, I tried so hard just to do what I can do. They're gonna put me in the poorhouse, keep all the best for you. In the poorhouse, in the poorhouse. Ooh, in the poorhouse, in the poorhouse, in the poorhouse. Ooh, in the poorhouse. Woo! If I drove a four-foot truck, would you love me more? Would you bring me diamonds and hang around my door? Woman, I've done my best, there ain't much left to leave. They're gonna put me in the poorhouse and throw away the key. In the poorhouse, in the poorhouse. Ooh, in the poorhouse, in the poorhouse, in the poorhouse. Ooh, in the poorhouse. You walk in 9:30 looking like a queen, serving me with papers and calling me obscene. Woman, I tried so hard just to do my best. They're gonna put me in the poorhouse and you take all the rest. In the poorhouse, in the poorhouse. Ooh, in the poorhouse, in the poorhouse, in the poorhouse. Ooh, in the poorhouse. Yippee! Oh, deadly, man. Mr. Ben Christian, ladies and gents. Woo!
That was off the Travelling Wilburys had they had two albums. They had three of them come out. One was the volume 1, and there was no volume 2. That was on volume 3, I think.
Just didn't address volume 2.
Yeah, it was a bit of a joke.
What happened to it? Oh, that's great. So we've got a request here that we're hoping to kill two birds with one stone. This was requested by Jonathan, but also I want to say a shout out to Tig, our mate Tig / Kevin, who's his mum was over visiting. He's asked for a song from Cork, and this is a song from Cork. Hope you like this one. This song is about a time in Cork during the Second World War where they ran out of wood. There was a wood shortage, so the lads who were making cider there, they had to reuse old whiskey barrels and stuff to put their wine into, or put their cider into, should I say. Apple wine. And anyways, they didn't realise that there was some alcohol still from the whiskey that would leaked into the cider, and it ended up being this cider that was infused with whiskey. That was just, people were dropping like flies all over Cork, and they nicknamed it Johnny Jump Up, and that's what this song is about. I'll tell you a story that happened to me one day as I went down to Youghal by the sea. The sun it was bright and the day it was warm. Says I, a quiet pint wouldn't do me no harm. I went in and I called for a bottle of stout. Says the barman, I'm sorry, all the beer is sold out. Try whiskey or paddy, 10 years in the wood. Says I, I'll try cider, I've heard that it's good. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live till 100 or 110. For I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of that Johnny Jump Up. After Lauren the third, I went straight for the yards, where I bumped into Brophy, the big civic guards. Come here to me, boy, don't you know I'm the law? I up with my fish and I shattered his jaw. He fell to the ground with his knees doubled up, but it wasn't I hit him, it was Johnny Jump Up. The next thing I saw down in Youghal by the sea was a cripple on crutches, and says he to me, I'm afraid of my life, I'll be hit by a car. Won't you help me across to the railway man's bar? After drinking a quart of that cider so sweet, he threw down his crutches and he danced in the streets. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live till 100 or 110. For I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of that Johnny Jump Up. I went up the Lee Road, a friend far to see, and they called it the Madhouse in Cork by the Lee. But when I got up there, the truth I do tell, they had the poor bugger locked up in a cell. Said the guard testing him, say these words if you can. Around the rugged rock, the ragged rascal ran. Tell them I'm not crazy, tell them I'm not mad. It was only a sup of that cider I had. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live till 100 or 110. For I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of that Johnny Jump Up. Now a man died in the Union by the name of McNabb. They washed him and laid him outside on a slab. And after O'Connor his measurements did take, his wife took him home for a bloody fine wake. About 12 o'clock and the beer it was high, when the corpse he sat up and says he with a sigh, I can't get to heaven, they won't let me up till I bring them a quart of that Johnny Jump Up. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live to 100 or 110. For I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of that Johnny Jump Up. by the sea. Stay out of the alehouse and take it from me. If you want to stay sane, don't you dare take a sup of that devil drink cider called Johnny Jump Up. Oh, never, oh, never, oh, never again. If I live to 100 or 110, for I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of that Johnny Jump. Oh, nice one. That's for Tig and Jonathan. Thank you. Ah, great stuff. So Caroline is at the helm as usual, taking requests, folks. We've got a wonderful request after coming in from our good friend Turla, a man of many names. I never know whether to call him Michael, James, or Turla. Sure. Or Captain Gorgeous. Sorry, Turla, I had to do it, man. So a while ago,
he wouldn't begrudge you that.
Ben, do you remember like the good times where you could play music in bars?
Yeah, and buy toilet paper.
Yeah. So before there was a world shortage of toilet paper, well, actually, no, it was just kind of slipping into the old.
It was, and
the old COVID-19 thing was just taking off, and people went bananas for toilet paper. We ran a little competition where we were giving away bog roll. I wish I held on to it now.
Oh, look, no, well, at the time that would have been like its most valuable, white gold.
White gold. So Turla won one of the competitions. We were looking for somebody to come up with a song and make a toilet paper reference, and he came up with the Bog Roll Kids. So that was a clear winner. Fair play, Turla. So we're going to do this one, but this is the original song is, of course, the Rock and Roll Kids. For any of you Eurovision fans out there, I know you just had the quiz there. So what year, without Googleizing it now, what year was Rock and Roll Kids in the Eurovision Song Contest? Caroline is taking. She'll be watching for the answer here. She doesn't know herself.
It's basically just a competition for who can Google the fastest.
Yeah. Don't Google that. There's no crack in that. Have a punt. It's okay to be wrong. All right, this is for Turla. I remember 62. I was 16 and so were you, and we lived next door on the avenue. Jerry Lee was big and Elvis too. Blue jeans and blue suede shoes, and we never knew what life held in store. We just wanted to rock and roll forevermore. We were the rock and roll kids. Rock and roll was all we did. I listened to those songs on the radio. I was yours and you were mine, but that was once upon a time. Now we never seem to rock and roll anymore. Now Johnny's in love with the girl next door, and Mary's down at the record store. They don't wanna be around us no more. Golden oldies, but we hardly speak. Too busy running to a different beat, hard to understand. We were once like them. I wish we could find those rock and roll days again. We were the rock and roll kids. Rock and roll was all we did. I'm listening to those songs on the radio. I was yours and you were mine, but that was once upon a time. Now we never seem to rock and roll anymore. I was yours what a tune.
Pop music, sir.
We were the bog roll
It's
kids.
the folk of the future.
Oh, good man, Turla. Oh, what would you give for just 5 minutes inside that man's mind? Lovely stuff. All right, we got another great request after coming in from Michael.
We missed Mayo Day last week.
Oh, and Trish and Barry as well. Oh, okay, awesome. Hey, Trish and Barry, hope you guys are well. Up the hamster, fair play. Well, you got your Cork song, so we better do a Mayo song here. Here's a lovely old Saw Doctors one. Ah, that's gorgeous.
Bonnie asked for this one last week.
What whiskey is that, Ben? Is that Ireland's second best whiskey?
Will be until they give us a good plug, eh? Tell them all juicy.
Oh, the green and red Mayo, I can see it still. It's soft and craggy bogland, it's tall majestic hills, where the ocean kisses Ireland and the wave caressed shore. Oh, the feeling it came over me to stay forevermore, forevermore. Here we go. You know what's happening. I said boom, boom, boom. Everybody say Mayo.
Mayo.
I said boom, boom, boom. Everybody say Mayo.
Mayo.
I said boom, boom, boom. Everybody say Mayo.
Mayo.
I said boom, boom, boom. Everybody say Mayo.
Mayo.
Oh, the green and red Mayo, I can see it still. It's soft and craggy bogland, it's tall majestic hills, where the ocean kisses Ireland and the waves caress its shore. Oh, the feeling it came over me to stay forevermore, forevermore, forevermore. Oh, the green and red Mayo. 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 Yo! You! Great stuff. Fantastic request. Thank you. So we had Johnny B sent in a request there. Should we do that one for John Batista?
Ah, of course, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. All right. John was obviously tuning into the Trad show on Wednesday night, which was brought partly by the Chord of A7. So this one's to Johnny B.
It's my favourite chord. For the week, anyway.
When first I landed in Liverpool, I went upon a spree. My money, alas, I spent it fast, got as drunk could be. And when at me money, it was all gone, it was then I wanted more. But a man must be blind to make up his mind to go to sea once more. Once more, boys, once more. I'll go to sea once more. But a man must be blind to make up his mind to go to sea once more. I spent a night with Angeline, too drunk to roll in bed. Me watch, it was new, and me money too. In the morning with them she fled. And as I walked the streets about, the whores they all did roar. And there goes Jack Sprat, the poor sailor lad, he must go to sea once more. Ah, once more, boys, once more. I'll go to sea once more. There goes Jack Sprat, the poor sailor lad, he must go to sea once more. And as I walked the streets about, I met with the rapper Brown. I asked him for to take me on, and he looked at me with a frown. He said, last time you were paid off, and with me you have no score. But I'll give you a chance, and I'll take your advance, and I'll send you to sea once more. Oh, once more, boys, once more. I'll go to sea once more. But I'll give you a chance, and I'll take your advance, and I'll send you to sea once more. Well, he shipped me on board of a whaling ship bound for the Arctic seas. When the cold wind blows to the frost and the snow, and Jamaica rum won't freeze. But worse to bear, I'd no hard weather gear, where I spent all me money on shore. It was then that I wished that I was dead and could go to sea no more. No more, boys, no more. I'll go to sea no more. It was then that I wished that I was dead and could go to sea no more. So come all you bold seafaring men who'll listen to my song. When you come off those long, long trips, I'll have you not go wrong. take my advice. Drink no strong drink, don't go sleeping with them whores. Get married instead and spend all night in bed and go to sea no more. No more, boys, no more. Oh, go to sea no more. Get married instead and spend all night in bed and go to sea no more. Thank you, Johnny B. Love it, man. Thank you. Oh, some great requests coming in. Porky and Rhiannon are watching. How you doing, guys? Good stuff. We'll definitely get to that one.
I got two crackers in there.
What are you looking at there? Caroline does a board for us here with all the requests.
Look at one third from the bottom there.
Oh, yes, deadly.
We do that?
And every Friday, Beeswing comes up. It's a great song, guys, so thank you. We appreciate the requests. What about the top one there for Stephen?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, all right. Here's something a little bit more contemporary in our repertoire. This is from a band that you may have...
It's 20 years old, but that's basically a spring chicken in our book.
Yeah. Who are these new kids?
The Wild Rover is 300 years old. Yeah?
You!
And that's more where we sit. But yeah, like we said, this is open season.
Oh, I'm tuning up for the wrong song. Oh, I have the wrong weapon here. I got to change weapons, sir. All right.
Oh, how about this one?
So, have you heard about this band that's taken over the world? Some kind of new band or dance craze?
Well, I mean, it's not.
They're called Yo To. They played in Mullingar once. Do you know that? In a pub called Bagnall's that isn't there anymore. Thank you to WTF Mullingar for that little bit of knowledge. All right, here's a little bit of U2, folks, from the Joshua Tree, I believe. Caroline might be a little bit of a fan. This one's for Stephen. Thank you, Stephen, for that one. Fair play to you, man. Lovely stuff. Bit of you too. What do you fancy on that list there, Ben? The requests are flying in tonight. Thank you, guys. Keep them coming. Thank you.
What about the fifth one down there?
Fifth one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Way! Are you serious? Oh, okay. We got to start at some stage. Liam, you are a great supporter of ours, and we were kind of in two minds about the Rebs. So, but we'll do this one.
I feel like this is kind of halfway, or is it?
Or is it? Okay, this is not a political show. This is not a rebel song. This is Sunday. No,
Well, if you don't like it, it'll be over before too long.
Okay, this is a bit of a rebel song here for Liam. He loves the Rebs, and we love him. So here's a very
he was kind of sorely disappointed when we weren't able to get back on last week. So
we're really sorry about that, folks, and we are definitely going to do an encore tonight. So around about 10 o'clock, we're going to take a short intermission if you just joined us, and then just for 5 minutes, just to do the ablutions and make a cup of tea, and then we'll be back on with lots more songs. So stay tuned with us here for the night. Armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Oh! Armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Up through the little streets of Belfast in the dark of early morn, British soldiers came marauding, wrecking little homes with scorn. Hear the sobs of crying children, dragging fathers from their beds, beaten sons while helpless mothers watch the blood pour from their heads. Armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Oh, not for them a judge or jury, nor indeed a trial at all. Being Irish means you're guilty, so we're guilty one and all. Round the world the truth will echo, Cromwell's men are here again. England's name again is sullied in the eyes of honest men. Armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Oh, armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Go on, boys! We march behind our banner firm, we'll stand behind our men. We will have them free to help us build a nation once again. On the people step together, proudly marching on their way. Never fear, never falter, till the boys are home to stay. Armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Oh, Caroline's loving it in the corner there. It's one of her favourites. Alright, sing along with us here. Here we go. Oh, armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Yo! Armored cars and tanks and guns came to take away our sons, but every man must stand behind the men behind the wire. Yo! Oh, the devil is in you tonight, sir. Oh, fair play.
Such a jaunty tune, though.
It is a great tune, and Mark and Rhiannon have threatened us with that third one. You know that's going to have to come.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Towards the end of the show.
It's timely.
It's definitely coming. You guys know what I'm talking about. There's a great one there from Colette. What do you think of that? Yeah. Okay, Colette, thank you for tuning in. And you're after requesting a great song, a good favourite of ours, a song from Galway, written by a Yank. Aye. I tuned this thing earlier, I promise. Why is there so many strings on the bouzouki, man?
There's spares, so if you break one,
It's just game on.
there's duplicates.
Alright. Lovely stuff. Alright. We're gonna do this one with a wee tune before it. The tune is called "The Pole in the Pub." At least I think it is. How does it go again?
That's the second bit, yeah.
I can't remember the start of it.
That's it, yeah.
Oh,
It's all coming back here now.
Colette, thank you very much. Woo! Oh, that was fun. Are you not warm in that jacket, no?
Oh, yeah.
We thought we'd go with the tartan tonight, folks. It's because of my 90s hairdo. We thought...
Derek came in saying, "Do I look 90s?" I was like, "Yeah, you actually kind of remind me of that fellow from Bush." Like, we remember that everyone, like,
Steve.
what's the song?
Gavin Rosdale, is it?
Must be your skin. I'm seeing.
Yeah. So we decided to go all flannel here, like we're in Nirvana. So speaking of the 90s, should we do that one for Rhiannon?
Oh yeah, I was about to take my flannel off, but I'll leave it on to this.
All right, Rihanna, this is for you, hon. Thank you for tuning in. Fair play, guys. Hope you're enjoying it so far. Here's a little bit of Oasis. Oasis. Want to hear you singing along at home? That's actually technically impossible.
Unless you live next door. Which if you do, Sweden. And Jenny, hello.
Oh, slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said you'll never be, but all the things that you've seen was only fade away. So I started a revolution from my bed, 'cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, the summertime's in bloom. Oh, stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face, 'cause you ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away. But don't look back in anger. I heard you say, take me to the place where you go, where nobody knows if it's not ordained. I please don't put your life in the hands of a tried Irish band and throw it all away. I'm gonna start a revolution from my bed, 'cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Oh, step outside, the summertime's in bloom. And stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face, 'cause you ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. 1, 2, 3. And so Sally can wait. She knows it's too
back to Murray's Pub in Mullingar. Fair play. Thank you, Rhiannon.
Flanos all the way. My dad was actually asked me last night, like, it was unflannel related business, but he was saying, do you ever break a string? Like, I guess he was concerned that I might do one in. And I said, no, not the
He didn't
banjo.
understand about the spares.
Yeah, I said, well, yeah. Well, no, but I said on the mandolin, like, when I'm like belting away like that, and one thing you're not supposed to do on a mandolin is bend.
Oh,
Yeah.
So a big shout out to Sivine Mandolins.
Yeah, sorry, Paul. Sorry.
Gareth
This is
Sivine.
not how you intended your mandolin to be played.
It was like, give that back. I know you paid for it, but give it back.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, mate, we got a great Dublin Street song down the bottom there for Deck. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
I don't know, unless you got any better ideas.
No, I wouldn't say that. My last one was a bit dodgy.
It was a bit dodgy. Fair play to you, sir. All right, here's an old Dublin street ballad about a fella who enjoyed an old drink.
Here's one I prepared earlier.
Cheers, man. Happy Friday, guys. Hope you're enjoying the crack. All right, here we go.
Tim Finnegan lived in Walking Street, a gentleman Irish, mighty odds.
Are we going to release the geese after this?
Sure.
He had a role both rich and sweet, and to rise in the world he carried a heart. But Tim had a bit of a tippler's way. With the love of the liquor, poor Tim was born. So to help him on his wage day, he'd drop in the crater every morn. Back for the dad out, dance to your partner on the floor, you trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. Now one morning Tim got rather full. His head felt heavy, which made him shake. He fell off a ladder and he broke his skull. So they carried him home, his corpse to lake. They wrapped him up in a nice clean sheet. They laid him out upon the bed, with a bottle of whiskey at his feet and the barrel of porter at his head. Oh, act with the dad, oh, dance to your partner on the floor, you rather shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan Lake. Well, his friends assembled at the wake, and Mrs. Finnegan, she called for lunch. First he brought them tea and cake, then pipe tobacco and brandy punch. And then the widow Malone began to cry. Such a lovely corpse did you ever see? Musha, Tim Mavoureen, why did you die? Will you hold your gob? Says Molly McGee. Whack for the download and she partner on the floor, you trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. Then Mary Murphy took up the job. Biddy, says she, you're wrong, I'm sure. Well, Biddy gave her a belt in the gob, and she left her sprawling on the floor. Then Simmel warned it then engaged. It was woman to woman and man to man. Sure, Lily Law was all the rage, and the row and the ruction chill began. Whack for the down, and she banged her on the floor, you trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. Well, Mike Maloney ducked his head when a bottle of whiskey, it flew at him. It missed the landing on the bed, and the whiskey scattered all over Tim. The daddy revives, see how he rises. Tim Finnegan rising in the bed like Lazarus, I tell you. Say, and whittle your whiskey round like blazes. Thunder and Jesus, did you think I was dead? Whack for the down, out, down to your partner round the floor. Your thunder is shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. Whack for the down, out, down to your partner round the floor. Your thunder shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's wake. Release the geese.
Greg's looking at me, and I was like, "What? What do you mean?" And I was like, "Oh, that's right, the thing that you said to do before."
It was those eyes, those take your shirt off eyes. Oh, we have to get the whole.
I don't know what that means. I mean, I do know that means. I guess I can deliver.
We got a whole lot more requests here. Niall sent in 2 Pogues song. He's the biggest Pogues fan in the world. Hey Niall, we will definitely do 1 or 2 or 3 of those Pogues requests. Normally, Niall would see us at Dirty Nellies on a Friday night, so I'm getting a bit reminiscent of Dirty Nellies.
And also, someone else from Dirty Nellies, 5th down the list there.
Oh, who's this now? Oh, Chris. You. Nice one. That's
you know
a
when
good
this
request.
man walks into his room, into the room, you know what he wants to hear.
Yes, yeah. Fair play, Chris. Good on you, man. We'll definitely do that one. Well, will we do that one? We'll figure it out. All right. The flannels are coming off, so we must be in business. What do you fancy there, Ben? Number 2 is kind of interesting.
What about number? Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, do that. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You reckon? Okay. All right. Here's an Aussie song. It was requested by Eves. Is that how you?
Ives?
Eves?
You know when you hear it.
Yeah.
You can say it's me.
All right. This is an Aussie song by a band called Red Gum. We'll try this one in. Oh,
We missed Anzac Day by a week for this one, but
we did, but it's a ripper. Mum and Dad and Danny saw the passing out parade at Puckapunion. It was a long march from cadets. The 6th Battalion was the next to tour, and it was me who drew the card. We did Canongra and Shoalwater before we left. And Townsville lined the footpaths as we marched down to the quay. This clipping from the paper shows me young and strong and clean. And there's me in me slouch hat with me SLR and greens. God help me, I was only 19. From Longtown riding Chinooks in the dust at Newey Dat. I've been in and out of shoppers now for months. And we made our tents a home, VB and pin-ups on the lockers. And an Asian orange sunset through this rub. And can you tell me, doctor, why I still can't get to sleep? And night time's just a jungle dark and a barking M16. And what's this rash that comes and goes? Can you tell me what it means? God help me, I was only 19. When each step could mean your last one on 2 legs. It was a war within yourself, but you wouldn't let your mates down till you had them dusted off. So you closed your eyes and you thought about something else. And then someone yelled out, "Contact!" And the bloke behind me swore. We hooked in there for hours. Then a God Almighty roar, and Frankie kicked the mine the day that mankind kicked the mill. God help me, he was going home in June. Oh yeah. Still see Frankie drinking tinnies in the Grand Hotel on a 36-hour rec leave in Vungtown. And I can still hear Frankie lying screaming in the jungle till the morphine came to kill the bloody row. And the Anzac
rag legends didn't mention mud and blood and tears. And the stories that my father told me never seemed quite real. I caught some pieces in my back that I didn't even feel. God help me, I was only 19. And can you tell me, doctor, why I still can't get to sleep? And why the Channel 7 chopper chills me to my feet? And what's this rash that comes and goes? Can you tell me what it means? God help me, I was only 19. Oh yeah! We haven't done that one in forever.
Thanks for that request. Yeah, I
That was
remember hearing that
class.
from when I was a kid. It's affecting every time.
Yeah, beautiful, man, beautiful. It's funny to sing it in an Irish accent. It's kind of like the opposite of what happened when we went to Ireland and you guys, you and Toby were singing
Rebel songs.
Irish songs in Aussie accents, and people loved it. So awesome. All right, where are we going to go now, Ben? Your call. All the songs in there are brilliant. You guys are great. When pubs reopen, can you guys all come to the pubs? Because these requests are great.
What about
There's not a bad one in there.
What about the bottom one?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Here's a little bit of a rebel one, and a bit of a lament, I suppose.
It's probably it'd have to be like apart from Beeswing, it must be our most requested song, I'd say.
Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah.
Picking up traction as well. It got requested early and then got requested again.
They're like yes.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Okay. So we got to do this one.
And the song is I'm Blue.
Dabba-dee, dabba-da. This song was written about Mr. Joe Plunkett, who was last one of the signatories of the Irish Declaration of Independence to get picked up, and like the other boys, he was sentenced to death by firing squad. But the song kind of focuses more around his girlfriend at the time, a woman by the name of Grace Gifford, and she was allowed just before dawn, and Joe was taken out to be shot. She was allowed to come in to the prison, and they could get married. And then at 6 o'clock the next morning, he was taken out and shot. So this one's called Grace. As we gather in the chapel here in Old Kilmainham jail, I think about these past few weeks. Or will they say we failed? From our school days they have told us we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. No, there won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now I know it's hard for you, my love, to ever understand the love I bear for these brave men, my love for this dear land. But when Porrig called me to his side down in the GPO, I had to leave my own sick bed. To him I had to go. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms
My heart is breaking too. On this May morn as I walk out, my thoughts will be of you. And I'll write some words upon the wall so everyone will know I love so much that I could see his blood upon the rose. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me on at dawn and I will die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. No, there won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. That's you, Caroline. Here we go. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. No, there won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Oh no, there won't be time to share our love, for we must say
Oh, it's better the whistle, ladies and gents. Yee! Oh, this is great. I'm starting to feel like we're back in Dirty Nellies or JB's or all those places.
I thought
used
we
to
were.
play. I know, it's great. That's great. Thank you for that request. So many people requested that one. What do you reckon, Ben? It's been a while since you sang a song.
Ah, sure. Yeah. Well, none of the ones on the board there I sing, but I can
Would you
sing.
would you try Pair of Brown Eyes there for Niall? We've never done this before, so.
All right, but yeah. Well, like if that's in full disclosure, yeah, sure, I'll give it a crack. Yeah.
What do you reckon? Just
Maybe bump it up a tone.
okay.
Reckon.
All right.
At a guess, like this could go horribly long. It's actually quite a difficult song,
It is
which
difficult. Well,
I've never sung.
I reckon you got it, man.
You can do it next week.
No, come on. This is the live television show.
So our producer, if you didn't hear that snide comment in the background, she's like, "You could do it next week."
She has
Like the
zero
sub-
faith in what we're about to do.
The subtext being like, well, you might rehearse it. And to that I say, dang ye, producer, dang ye.
Oh, we love you, Caroline. Thank you so much for helping us out. We really appreciate it. No worries. Always good for a pep talk pre-show. All right.
That's it.
So we're in A, yeah?
What? What key's it normally in?
G.
That seems quite high.
Yeah. Let's leave it in G.
Oh no, I was thinking of a different song. I was thinking of the other one. Like, whatchamacallit?
So we'll say in G. All right, Niall. You are responsible for this, sir. It is on you. No, it's probably on us. But who cares?
What about A flat?
Semicolon? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a feeling about that key. The
All
same
right.
way I had a feeling about A7 on Wednesday.
You.
Johnny B.
Oh, I like it. Now the dots don't make any sense. All right.
Just close your eyes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
One summer evening, drunk to hell, I sat there nearly lifeless. An old man in a corner sang where the water lilies grow. And on the jukebox, Johnny sang about a thing called roving, I'll go. I'm roving, I'll go for a pair of brown eyes, for a pair of brown eyes.
Oh, how good was that? First time, bro. That was awesome.
Fair play.
Well
To me.
done. 2 capos on the yoke. It was great. It had everything.
Hey, the most amount of capos, yeah.
It had fear. It had capos.
For those that are not Italian, that means head.
Oh yeah. Fair play.
Love online for that, Ben. As well.
Ben, what a legend. What a legend.
Should I take my other shirt off?
Take it off. Take it off.
Too late.
Oh man. All right, we got time for maybe another song before we take a quick intermission, ladies and gents. I want to thank anybody and everybody who's been using that PayPal thing to send us a bob or two to keep the devil from the door. What do you fancy there, Ben?
Maybe number 5.
Number Of course you do. Of course you do. Chris's request. All right, lovely. There's a whole yes, yeah, definitely. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do one more song, and then we're going to take a quick break to do the needful toilet wise. And this is also a good time for you.
Got
guys.
a quick up, like a slap up girl for 2.
If you guys want to do the same, boil the kettle, or whatever's happening.
Feed your cat.
All right, there we go.
It was on a dreary New Year's Eve as the shades of night came down. Lorry load of volunteers approached the border town. There were men from Dublin and from Cork, from Nana and Tyrone, and the leader he was a Limerick man, Sean South from Garryowen. Woo! As they moved along the street up to the barrack door, they joined the danger they might face, their fate that lay in store. They were fighting for old Ireland to claim their very own, and the foremost of the gallant band was south from Garryowen. For the sergeant he's boyed, the daring clan he's boyed them through the door. Oh, the Stangums and the rivals are hailed of their dead poor. When that awful night had passed, 2 men lay cold as stone. There was one from near the corner and one from Garryowen. Tiny whistle. No more he will hear the seagulls cry or the morning Shannon tide. For he fell beneath the northern sky, brave Holland boy inside. They have gone to join the gallant band of Plunkett, Pearse and Tone. Another right there for Ireland, Sean South from Garryowen. Another right there for Ireland, Sean South from loves to like to be ma. When I go home, the lights on me, the girls I love. Pull my hair until I come, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she's the belle of Belfast City. She's a go to the titty. Please may tell me him is she. Oh! What's going on? It's all falling apart.
Sorry, pardon my language. Oh, it's alright, it's Friday, you're allowed to swear. Alright, one more time.
Hey!
Alright,
Oh, what a grand finale.
for those that don't know, that is the easiest shoot in trad music. And I
Just
ruined it
scratching
on
his
both the instruments I'm supposed to know how to play. But
That
anyway.
was great. So much fun. Ladies and gents, we are going to take a very short intermission, go for a pee, grab a cup of tea, check on the occupants of the house. Whatever you need to do. We're going to take a really short break. We're
Should
going
we
to keep
explain the photo that's about to come up next?
well, I think it speaks for itself.
It does, doesn't it?
All right, stay with us. We're going to keep the stream going, and we'll be back with you in a couple of minutes. Thank you.
And we're back. We hope everyone got a chance to go to the toilet there and sort themselves out. Maybe a quick costume change, whatever. Oh, thank you for sticking with us tonight, folks. This is Friday Facebook
From tropical
Frenzy.
Queensland.
It looks like it's freezing cold in Perth. We look like we're having a great time.
It actually makes the plants make sense.
It does actually, yeah. Oh wow, so many great requests. Number 2, man. Here we go. We ready?
No.
You. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Sorry.
5, 6, 7, 8. In that Banbridge town in the county down one morning last July, from a boring green came a sweet Colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. She looked so sweet from her 2 bare feet, and she never no brown hair. Such a coaxing, I was sure I shook myself, and to see I was really there. From Bantry Bay to the Derry Quay, I'm going to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. Oh yeah! On your deck for this one, fair play. As she onwards ventured, I shook my head and I looked with a feeling rare. And I said I to a master boy, here's the maid with the number out here. He smiled at me and he says he, that the gem of Ireland's crown. Young Rosie began from the banks of the Banshee to Stafford, the county down. From Bantry Bay to the Derry Quay, I'm from Galway to Dublin town. Now may I see like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. I've travelled a bit, but I didn't give a shit since my Roman career began. But there and swear at the render day to the time that the rolling began. I'd had to last a lieutenant yet did a me to the shoulder and gown. But in she went and I asked her and from the star at the county down. From Bantry Bay to the Derry Quay, I'm from Galway to Dublin town. Now may I see that the sweet Colleen and I met in the county down. Give it a one now. Woo! Oh yeah! After harvest fair, she'll be surely there, and the rest in me Sunday clothes. With me shoes shone bright and me hat cock right for his wife and the number on rolls. No pipe or smoke, no horse I yoked, till the rusty cloud turns brown. Till it's smiling bright and the old fireside is the star in the county down. From Bantry Bay to the Derry Quay, I'm from Galway to Dublin town. Now may I see like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. From Bantry Bay to the Derry Quay, I'm from Galway to Dublin town. Now may I see like the sweet Colleen that I met in the county down. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, it's chaos here. That's great. Oh,
What do you
good
reckon
stuff.
about this shirt?
it's,
I feel like I might have just wrecked the camera with this.
it's made of oil, isn't it?
Hey, it's 100% petroleum.
All right, we've got see that second one from the bottom. What do you reckon? On this one here.
Oh, yeah, sure, yeah.
Yeah. All right, here's an Aussie song about a decent fella
The top bloke.
from Cunnamulla. Are you going to do the Johnny B's last verse? on the song?
It'd be unfair not to.
There's another song from Slim Dusty called The Cunnamulla Fella, and it goes like this. Sip, sip. That's a pretty good song, man. I like it.
Cheers. All right, next. Now I'm a scrubber, runner, and a breaker too. I live on damper and wallaby shoe. I got a big catalogue with a staghound cross. I never saw the scrubber. We couldn't toss, 'cause I'm the fella from Cunnamulla. Yeah, I'm the Cunnamulla fella. Now once when I was strolling on the cattle trails, I met a little girl, her name was Ada Vale. I said, marry me, Ada, and I'll be a fella. And we'll both settle down in Orgadella. I'll be the fella at Orgadella. Yeah, I'll be the Orgadella fella. Oh, she said her daddy's name was Charlie Bill. She had a lot of kitties and a lot of bills. So I grabbed my horse, which was nice and handy, and I never stopped till I reached Deer and Bandy. I was a dandy at Deer and Bandy. Yeah, I was a Deer and Bandy dandy. I did dandy at Deer and Bandy. Yeah, I was a Deer and Bandy dandy. Yeah. Now in my moleskin trousers and my Williams boots, I board an outlaw as he leaves the shoots. In my gooseneck spurs, I ravings fiery high, and the girls are all shouting around the ringside. Oh, he's the fella. That's right, chicks. From Cunnamulla. I am. Yeah, he's the Cunnamulla fella. Yeah, I'm the fella from Cunnamulla. Yeah, I'm the Cunnamulla fella. Now I've done a little fighting in the western bars. I've done a little love beneath the moon and the stars. I wear bright clothes and shirts full of colour, and us girls all know me as that certain fella. Yeah, I'm the fella from Cunnamulla. Yeah, I'm the Cunnamulla fella. Woo!
All right, here we go.
It's a bit of local knowledge. Re-Perth. So I'm cruising through the suburbs in my panel van. I got the window wound down like a natural born man. I'm looking for a Sheila who's a real good looker, and I found what I was looking for in Mira Booker. She was a hooker. A what? A Mira Booker. Yeah, she was a Mira Booker hooker. And I'm the fella Johnny B from Dianella. Yeah, I'm the Dianella fella. Where am I from? Yeah, I'm the Cunnamulla fella. Yeah, I'm the Cunnamulla fella.
Thank you for that, Johnny B. That last verse was written by our friend who now lives in Bristol, but he was a Dianella fella for a long time. Fair play to him. So Richard there has requested a song that we're going to do on our Sunday program. So for you, for anyone who doesn't know, we do 3 programs a week now. The Wednesday night is the trad show. Friday night is anything goes, who cares? And Sunday is
Is it Friday now?
and Sunday is the our favourites, your favourites, and that's one of my favourites that Richard has requested. And
It's
we're going to save that one for Sunday. So we've got our first guest as well on the Sunday programme. Kieran O'Sullivan is going to be. You heard it here first. He's going to be our first guest on the Sunday show.
First he's heard of it too.
Yeah, Kieran's like, what? So Kieran O'Sullivan's going to be on with us on Sunday. That show starts at 5 o'clock Australian Western Standard Time. And so
should be a cracker.
Tune in for that one, and we're going to be chatting to Kieran after the show and stuff, so keep an eye on Facebook anyways.
What about number 6 down there?
Number 6, oh nice, yeah. Wow. So I once got paid $1 in Boston for singing this song.
Was it worth it?
Nah, somebody paid me $5 to stop. True story. All right, here's an old song.
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen on down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so. And if you come and all the flowers are dying, if I am dead, as dead I may well be, I pray you'll find the place where I am lying, and kneel and say an Ave there for me, and I shall hear those soft yet tread above me, and all my grave will warm and sweeter be. And then you'll kneel and whisper that you love me, and I shall sleep in peace until you come to me. And I shall hear those soft yet tread above me, and all my grave will warm and sweeter be. And then you'll kneel and whisper that you love me, and I shall sleep in peace until you come to me.
That was cool. Thank you, Noreen, for that one. That's nice. You got to really get in the zone for that. Let's get out of that zone now. You can only be there for a little bit. Fair play. Thanks, Noreen. Good on you.
And Jai wanted that one too.
And who?
And Jai wanted Danny Boy too.
Deadly. Thank you, Jai. Fair play.
What about should we
What
do
about
Boggy and
Dave?
Rounders one?
You reckon? Yeah?
Yeah, why not?
You know what's going to happen, though. All right. So, when was the first time we learned this song, man? This was like... way back.
It was Josh Crothers from Geraldton. He said...
Was it really?
Yeah, he told us, he said, like, he didn't believe that we could play any tunes in Geraldton that, like, any Gero locals would like. Turns out Josh didn't realise how many Irish people there are in Geraldton. But we did learn this song for him.
There's
Well-
a couple of people Geraldton tuned in.
Geraldton.
No way, Gerald.
Annette, Derek, Alex.
Oh, hey!
Oh, awesome. All right.
So,
Well, we were supposed to be doing a gig in a new venue in Jarrow. Well, new for us. And obviously this whole COVID thing doesn't give a shit. So, but we're going to get back to Jarrow. And particularly a big shout out to the Midwest Irish Club, Sean and the lads there. We love you guys as well. So, look after yourselves there. We will be coming to Jarrow as soon as we physically can. Alright, so I had to invent a new tuning for this one in order to be able to play it. So,
this is one of those songs where, like, we got told to learn it, we were like, no, that'd be stupid. And then we did it, and we were like, oh, that's awesome.
and another fact you may not know about this one, I won a pint off a lad in Sligo for identifying the singer of his song. Did I tell you that story before?
You did, yeah.
Yeah. Back when I was living in Galway a million years ago, I was doing a gig with my mate Pete up in Sligo, and we walked into a pub, and this guy put this next song on the jukebox, and he says, "I'll buy you a pint for any man in the place who knows the name of the singer of this song."
Little did you know that, like, Derek had spent some time in Australia.
Yeah, and I
And
was
this
like,
is literally like the bloke that should be the Prime Minister of Australia. Re-mullet.
and I says, "John Farnham, I'll have my pint now, please." Chance to turn the page, Lord. We can write what we want to write. We gotta make ends meet before we get much younger. Oh, oh, someone sort of, someone sort of. How long can we look at each other? Down the battle of it goes. Oh, yeah, the boys trying to understand it. show. We'll see you back next Friday. Have a great week. We love you. Thank you. Yeah.
Fair play.
Awesome.
I just pushed myself in the bottom.